Hello everybody, welcome back to another planner sticker kit weekly plus foil lineup. That was just like, all of those words were said out of order, but hey, I'm here. So if you haven't seen my sticker kit and foil kit lineups before, I did one for January, I did one for February. This was in it, where I showcased the kits and the foil pairings that I am going to be using for that particular month. So we're here to do March, and I'm very excited. I feel like March, I could use more like anytime kits, and there's a holiday, but like, I don't know, I just felt like I could play around with it a little bit more, because to me, January leans very like winter, like that's like the only time I can use winter kits for me. And then February is Avery's birthday and like all lovey type stuff, because I love Valentine's Day, I love holidays. But March is really when I get to kind of start doing fun stuff. So I'm just gonna put, this is my kit binder. It's just a little Avery 1-inch binder. These, I think these might all be listed in my Amazon store. I'll put that down below. And then these little dates are from SPC. I literally have them up here. I keep like the whatever sheet right here, and I just rip these off when I'm done. It's like, it's totally easy. So let's get started with March. I have 4 kits to share with you, and I actually just yesterday switched a kit out, so I'm a little bit like lost with that kit. I haven't really quite decided what I'm doing yet, but I wanted to get this video up for you guys, and I'll share it with you, and maybe the foil pairing will just be a surprise. So starting with March 7th through the 13th, I am using the Crest Press. This was her August mystery for 2021. It's the Food and Wine Festival kit. I don't think I've opened these before, but I'm just gonna open them like on this video. But this kit is just so cute. I have the 15mm here. I am obsessed with this. I knew that if I did not use this in March, I would just keep pushing it and pushing it and pushing it, and it just would never get used. So I really wanted to use it because I'm obsessed with all food related kits. I think this is very cute. I love these colors. I love that backpack. Let's see if there's any extra boxes in here. There's gotta be, right? This is the ultimate. Last time I used a Crest Press kit, I totally used the wrong size kit. Oh, look at these fashion girls. I always forget what they look like. I used the wrong size kit, which really messed me up because it didn't have little things, but I have learned my lesson since. So initially I was like, oh, I might just use copper with this kit, which I totally feel like if you had this kit, copper would really look so good with this. But then I was like, you know what? I have that sparkle bundle that came with this kit, like with the mystery. It's her shimmer, and it's kind of like a copper, but a little bit deeper. I, honest to God, feel like it's a cross between copper and matte bronze. Like, it's like that perfect in between. And I was like, well, if Maggie paired these together, then like they're supposed to go together. They just make the most sense. So I am going to be using this Crest Press shimmer foil bundle again. I don't know what maybe she called it copper. I don't know what she called it. I don't know if it's still available, but I purchased a bunch of these afterwards because I've already used this foil bundle, and I knew this was my other time using it. Like, I only had 2. So I bought more because I really love it. So this is going to be the kit and foil that I'm using for March 7th through the 13th. Moving into March 14th through the 20th, it is the week of St. Patrick's Day. And normally I'm not like super like into St. Patrick's Day. I do typically use a kit though. But this Lucky Charm art from SPC is on a whole other level. Again, it brings in my love for food. I just love this artist. I feel like she does like such like, is cutesy the word I want to use? Quite possibly. I just love everything about this. I did open the Crest Press one, so I should open this too. I just really love it. I've been staring at it for months. You know, I've cut 8,000 sticker packs of this art because it's just so dang cute. I think I have, yeah, both label samplers and the little fashion girls here. But this kit is straight up everything. I love these like little Lucky Charm bars, the stack of pancakes. I don't know why I'm shaking so much. I might be hungry, or I also might need caffeine, so I do apologize for that. Oh, I didn't even read this. Breakfast, workout, laundry, dishes, reading, dinner, pay the bills, contact PT. Interesting. But, so cute. I just really love the colors of this. It's so fun. It's so like everything. It's everything. And this bottom washi, I mean, oh, and I like, you know what the funny thing is? You always just like, when you see this page, you stare at the bottom washi. These are cute little macaroons here. This bottom washi is incredible. The 15mm strip is also incredible. I know a lot of people have said they don't want to cut the bottom washi, but this 15mm is next level. So this is going to be the kit that I use for the week of St. Patrick's Day, which is March 14th through the 20th. This is the freebie. I'm just going to slide everything back in here because it makes my life a little bit easier. So with this kit, initially, so I purchased this Crest Press foil bundle. It's the Lucky Foil bundle in gold. She also offered it in green, but the reason I didn't get it in green is because I have something else I'm going to pull in. So this is going to be like my full boxes, my bottom washi, my header overlays, you know, all that good stuff. But then I do also from Plana Hannah, oh, it's funny, I put both of these in here because I wasn't sure. I have her Dorothy underlays in her light green and her gold. I think I'm going to save the gold for like a rainy day because these are super cute and I feel like you could use these almost any time. I'm going to use her light green. I think it's really going to be cool with the gold. I think it's going to bring out a lot of the green in the kit. These are so cute. I just love the little rainbows. They're so pretty. So I do think, yeah, I'm just going to add these literally to my Plana Hannah stack I have, which I do need to organize at some point in my life. And we're going to stick with the light green because it just looks so good. So that's the reason I didn't get this in green because I wasn't sure if their foil colors were the same. So that's going to be that week, March 14th through the 20th. And then we're going to go ahead and move on to March 21st to the 27th, which is the week that the second season of Bridgerton is premiering on Netflix. It's the season about Anthony. I read the book. I honestly, okay, so I've only, as of right now, as of filming this, I'm about to start the 4th book. So I've only read the first 3. As of right now, the second book, the one about Anthony, is my favorite. I thought it was amazing. I'm really looking forward to the season. So of course I'm using the Viscount kit from SPC. I mean, come on. Love Kate, love Anthony. I'm just obsessed with all of this. Very like Bridgerton vibes. I love the Lady Whistledown stuff. Obviously, it's very Bridgerton vibes. I don't really want to open this. I apologize. The freebies like Penelope and Eloise. Eloise? Yeah, that's her name, right? I don't know. It's gotta be. And Daphne, I think, is a freebie as well. But I'm just so happy to be using this. I love the colors. I love purple. I love blue. I love the like tealy mint. Like this is so pretty. So definitely using this kit. And then with this kit, I'm going to be using silver as my like core color. So I'm probably going to bring in, I haven't even thought about it yet, probably like silver confetti. Honestly, I'm not going to do anything too wild with that. But I do have some underlays from Plana Hannah. These are her Leaves 2.0 in her light blue. I just feel like they're so dainty and perfect. And I just think this is going to be such a good pairing. Even if I got them in purple, it would have matched this more. But I really wanted to do the light blue. So I did this. I could even pull in the Ice SPC foil bundle because it doesn't have bougie boxes. It's one of the older bundles. So I'd have the bottom washi, I'd have header or full box overlays and everything. But I think I might stick with silver and just have this like light blue be my accent. I also have the Whistledown overlays from Plana Hannah, the quote box overlays, which is like kind of annoying how there's 8 because like I gotta use all 8 now, right? Don't I? I don't know. I really want to use, I get the tea from Lady Whistledown Society Papers. Mentally dating the Duke of Hastings. Like, come on now. Oh, shall we promenade? I just want to use all of these. They're so pretty. So this is my week of March 21st to 27th. It's the Viscount kit with that foil pairing. And then the last kit I have here for March 28th through April 3rd was the one I just switched out. So I had an Easter kit. I actually have it right next to me because I literally just switched it out. I had the Peeps kit from SPC because every week in April for me is a birthday. But I just switched it out because I really want to use this kit. So I have no foil pairings here for me yet. I have ideas. I'll tell you about it. So this is the new Meadow kit from SPC. Will you see the new format by that time? Yes, you will see the new format by the time this video goes up. So I was like, well, I don't want to accidentally show it. So this is the Meadow kit from SPC. It should be releasing, when you see this video today, Wednesday, it should be releasing today, Wednesday. So, yay. So I have it here. It's the new format. I'm not going to go through it too much, but I do have like the doodles and stuff in the back, which like, come on. Colors of doodles that match the kit. A+. Chef's kiss. Love it. But anyway, I love this kit a lot. I think it's really pretty. Again, the same thing with the farmer's market or the food and wine kit or whatever. I was scared if I didn't use it now, I never was going to. It was going to get pushed and pushed and pushed, and I didn't want to push it. I really like this kit. I think it's really pretty. I really like it. So I just switched it out for this one. My thought process, okay, so Crest Press just released their Daisy foil bundle, and it's funny because as I went on the website to get the lilac one, which I felt like would have matched this, it's sold out. So I'm like, okay, do I get the silver one and do silver daisies with this? I think I might. I really do. I think I might get the silver daisies and do that. But I just did silver for Whistledown. But I just feel like silver looks so good with this. So that's a thought. I could also do anything purple, anything blue. There's it's really pale though. It's like a sheer mint in SPC shop that I could pull in. I don't know. I think I'm leaning towards the daisies. I might pick them up. I might grab them in gold, silver, and hollow just in case. No, I don't think I'm going to use gold with this kit. Hollow would be a good option actually because the bottom washi is really bright and fun. So maybe I'll pick those up like literally when I'm done with this video. I think that would be a really good pairing. So this is this is the Meadow kit from March 28th through the 3rd. So that is my March sticker kit lineup. Let me show you one more time just in case you forgot. So this is March 7th through the 13th, the Crest Press August Mystery Food and Wine Festival. March 14th through the 20th is the Lucky Charm SPC kit. March 21st to the 27th is the SPC Viscount kit. And then last but not least, March 28th through April 3rd is the Meadow kit from SPC. So that is going to be my kit lineup for March. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.